Welcome back, pumpkin people. You can hear the fans humming behind me. Viewer discretion is advised. Stick around. All right, here we go. Another week's update. So we got some good news, we got some bad news. Good news is Sir Hank is hanking along, we'll call it. Just trucking. We're putting on 15 plus pounds a day the past week or so. We put on 250 pounds the week prior. I think I missed an update last week. Overall plant health. Weeds are starting to poke up. Got some powdery mildew on some of our leaves starting. Let's see if I can find an example real quick. I don't see any right now. Right here, you can see right there, a little speck of it. So we're using Millstop. Millstop was applied yesterday, and I've heard some good things about that. So Millstop is potassium bicarbonate, I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that. It changes the surface pH of your leaf, and so those spores can't grow. It almost kills it on contact, from what I've been reading. Powdery mildew when you spray Millstop. But we had some foliage here, some damage, had some heavy rains, and I don't know, like the leaf stalks were kind of rotting and then falling over, but it's only centralized just like one little area. But overall plant health is not too bad. Let's take a closer look to our pumpkin. As we're getting closer here, it's not too bad, right? It's not bad. We got some pretty good foliage still feeding Sir Hank. But like I said before, viewer discretion is advised right now. This is really painful for me to show. Before we do that, I'm going to stall once again. Oh, there's that powdery mildew. There it is, right there. But I sprayed yesterday, and you can see it's turning a different color. It's almost killing it on contact. So it's killing it on contact and changing that leaf pH so those spores can't jump onto this leaf and so on. So we're going to apply that every few days. But as you can see, I can't hide it any longer. Let's just take a quick look right here. So we got two fans humming here. Started off a couple days ago, a little small crack. We'll say the crack was this wide, very small, and then it's just gotten bigger and bigger. Like I said before, we're cruising along at 15 pounds a day or so. The key right now, it's not into the center, it's not into the middle of the pumpkin, so we're still growing. The key to this operation right now is airflow. Get that airflow on there, and hopefully we can dry that up. And it's not going into the blossom, which is good. It stops right about here, which is good. It's not going into that blossom. But from what I've seen the past day, it hasn't really gotten deeper. It's gotten wider, certainly. But it looks actually, for all intents and purposes, okay. I can see some browning right there. I think that's more like it's drying up. So viewer discretion is advised. But we're going to do everything we can to keep Sir Hank growing here. Sir Hank is 850 pounds. 850 pounds. We're about 150 pounds away from our goal. Here's another side view of that fruit. Kind of gives you some scale. Those like little desktop fans of how big Sir Hank is. Here's that powdery mildew. See it changing the color of the leaf right there where the mildew was. So we're gonna try that Millstop out and see. Let's go take a look at the stem end of Sir Hank if we can. I'm starting to get a little bit of kinkage again right there on our main vine. We're gonna have to slide it back again. Got some orange starting to come out on the fruit, which is nice. But here's overall view of Sir Hank. Really, really nice fruit, good shape. It's a real bummer. I really hope we can save her, but It's okay. It'll be okay, hopefully. It's gonna rain tonight, so the key to the game and the operation right now is can't let Sir Hank get rain or irrigation water into that crack as she's healing. Keeping it good and dry. We're gonna take this leftover greenhouse plastic, put it over top of Sir Hank with the fans underneath, and that's gonna protect it from the rain tonight. But I know it hurts me too, folks. But we're gonna do everything we can here. I don't think I mentioned I put rubbing alcohol inside of that crack once or twice to sterilize and kill and dry out that flesh. So hopefully we can save them. Solid fruit. I like the looks of it. So appreciate everyone tuning in this week. Sorry, I wish I had better news about Sir Hank there, but hey, this is pumpkin growing. It happens. But not all is lost. Keep the positive vibes coming, and we're gonna keep pushing Sir Hank until we can't push it anymore. 1,000 pounds is right in reach next 12 days or so. Hopefully we are up and over 1,000 pounds. So until next time, grow 'em big.